Asa ito? Kare, this is not happy.
Aww.
Saan puro laki?
Kittens!
Ha? Bay laki niya tag.
Literally had to grab it. Oh, they're so cute.
Mga rawas na eh.
Laki din yan, laki.
Katong lang color dyan.
O galing, kaning
Brown. Kato. Sige. Eh, kanang ito. Kanang nana ba color?
Calico?
Puro bayi.
Ah, puro ba yun ha? Dili. Mapalihan niya itong ning. Pila ni kabulan? Ay, hala.
It escaped. What do we do now?
Ay, siya. Isa kajot akong ano. Kajot lang ha?
Oh, a brown kitten.
Pada ko pra na siya.
It's kind of like the Ming-Mings are chickens now. Oh, it's like our Ming-Ming.
Huh?
You know, our Ming-Ming back then. What do you think? It's not scared. I don't play it like that.
Dili mamaak ni ha. Apo may iringani sa unin ani color.
Will remind us of our old one.
Bayi mo din yung tuloy kulor.
Tama ba? Di mo doon?
Is this okay for kittens?
Ang mga... Ay! Subaya kayo.
Why am I laughing?
Pag-gloves. Adira. Bebasin mo niyo.
Mahadlok kayo.
Of course they're.
Mahadlok? Pero mo,
Maybe
mura
just
man
one?
mabukuan. Dali ningin. Mukha sa kanon. Ay!
Don't pull it like that. Not like that. Ay. This is just.
Dako na galing umano.
Oh my gosh! Do not scare the kitten.
Dili na siya. Tago.
Do not pull it by its legs or tail. That would just make it scared, not stare.
Dili na. Wala na sa ona ko.
No, I'm just literally being serious.
Pinangga din ayop ning
Mga bantay ba natin? Bantay ba yung dili ng tulaan?
Bro.
Salamat dyan. Sure ka nga dili ni Brigya?
Nida.
Girl or boy?
Salamat ka. Ayaw ko yan.
Are you just giving it to us?
Yes.
Sure ka?
And also, where did you get so many cats from?
More blessing. All.
Where did you get so many cats from?
Pila ni kabulan?
2, 3.
3 months. Dako pa siya.
You have many cats there.
So you just stole them and put them in a cage?
Mas 3.
Ay, yan. Unsa baligya? Yung ireng.
You literally catnapped them.
Sige, Maris, ami dyan. Thank you kayo. Awahata mo agi, daghan mang kuan.
I don't know. Oh, I don't. These things are scared.